Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know that this is our second channel. Earlier, many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel, and we are very grateful for your appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term one exam. And as you appreciate our contents, teaching materials, extra questions, and the concept video which are uploaded, and as you requested, sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam. So this channel, as per your request, this channel is made, and we expect that this channel will be also very helpful for you to do good in your term 2 exam. And we believe that you have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapeeth channel and along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because every day we upload many educational videos for your classes and some other social science related videos, so that if you subscribe the channel, you will get the notification instantly, which will help you to prepare instantly. And one request, every video you should see till the end, so that you will understand the chapter completely. Because if you will skip the video and if you will see look half the video, then you will miss to understand some important topics. Okay, so today my team is ready to record one video, this video for class 9 history French Revolution, and as I said every time, that you should sit with one notebook and pen, so that you can evaluate and you can evaluate yourself how much you understood this chapter. And in the end you must send the total marks, how much you have got from this MCQ based questions. Okay, so shall we start now? So your first question is, who was the king of France? Who was the king of France at the time of the French Revolution? Your options are Napoleon Bonaparte, Louis XVI, Louis XV, and Nicholas I. I hope you all must have written the right answer. Those who have written right answer, you can give 1 mark for yourself. And your right answer is Louis XVI. What was a livre? What was livre? A unit of currency in France, a tax levied by the church, a group of privileged people, a tax to be paid directly to the state. And the right answer is a unit of currency in France was known as livre. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what was tele? What was tele? Known as and your options are indirect tax, direct tax, agricultural produce, and extreme poverty. So the tele known as direct tax. Moving to the next question, who is the author of two treatises of government? Okay, this is so this book's author's name you have to find out. Who is the author of the two treatises of the government? Your options are Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Montesquieu, Mirabeau, and John Locke. The right answer is John Locke. Moving to the next question, for what purpose did Louis XVI call together an assembly of the Estates General on 5th May 1789? Your options are to pass proposals for new taxes, to pass proposals for abolishing the feudal system, to pass proposals for new price index, to give the poor their due rights. And the right answer of this question is to pass proposal for new taxes. Okay, moving to the next question, who constituted the third estate? The right answer is the options are philosophers and the authors, clergy and nobility, peasants and artisans, illiterate men and women. The right answer of this question is who constituted the third estate, that is peasants and artisans. Moving to the next question, whose name is associated with the pamphlet called What is Third Estate? So your options are Mirabeau, John Locke, Montesquieu, Arbesius. The right answer is Arbesius. Moving to the next question, what did Bastille symbolize as? Your right answer, the options are military strength of France, humanity, despotic rule of Louis XVI, Louis XVI's Cowardice Act. The right answer of this, what did Bastille symbolize as a despotic rule of Louis XVI? When was Bastille destroyed? And your options are 14th June 1789, 14th June 1798, 2nd June 1789, and 5th August 1879. The right answer is 14th July 1789. What was the main objective of the Constitution of 1791? To dethrone the king, to limit the power of the clergy and the nobility, to limit the powers of the king, and to make the king more powerful. The right answer is to limit the powers of the king. Who were active citizens? They were entitled to, your options are they were entitled to vote, persons who were entitled to vote, persons who were not entitled to vote, persons who were entitled to protest, persons who were entitled to accumulate wealth. The right answer is the active citizens, the person who were entitled to vote. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what was sceptre? What was sceptre? Symbol of strength, symbol of eternity, symbol of deep knowledge, symbol of royal power. The right answer is symbol of royal power. What were the national colors of the France? White, red, purple, blue, red, black, blue, white, red, red, yellow, green. The right answer is blue, white, red. This is the national color of the France. Blue, white, and red. Moving to the next question, by whom was Phrygian Cap won and on what occasion? Your options are by a man on becoming a slave, by a slave on becoming free, by a slave on becoming victorious, by a soldier on accepting defeat. The right answer is by a slave on becoming free. Moving to the next question, what was the Marseillaise? What was the Marseillaise? Okay, your options are a slogan, a type of hat, a patriotic song, a romantic song. The right answer is the Marseillaise was a patriotic song. Moving to the next question, when was France declared a republic? Your options are on 21st September 1792, on 21st May 1792, on 21st September 1793, on 5th August 1793. The right answer is on 21st September 1792. Moving to the next question, whose name is associated with the reign of terror? Your options are Robespierre, Mirabeau, Napoleon Bonaparte, Dr. Guillotine. The right answer is the name associated with the reign of terror was Robespierre. Which right was given to the French women in 1946? Right to hold political offices, right to get education, right to divorce, right to vote. So the right was given to the French women in 1946, that was right to vote. Okay. Which among the following was not introduced by the Napoleon Bonaparte? Your options are a uniform system of weight and measures, a law for the protection of private property, decimal system, and slavery. So, the reform which was introduced by the Napoleon Bonaparte was so that is slavery. So, the reform which was not introduced by Napoleon Bonaparte, that was slavery, because the decimal system, law for the protection of private property, a uniform system of weight and measure, all these good things were introduced by the Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay. So, student, these are some of the important MCQ based questions of this first chapter of the class 9 history, the French Revolution. I hope this will be very helpful for you to get good marks in your term 2 exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.